Good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the 6th edition of the Times Now Summit. For 6 years, the Times Now Summit has been a platform that year after year goes beyond just chronicling India's rise. In fact, it has been a platform where ideas don't just reflect the moment, they help define what comes next.
Absolutely, Hina. And this year carries added significance. As the Times Now channel marks 20 years, we're not just looking back at 2 decades of accountable journalism, we are looking ahead to the next chapter of India's growth. For over 2 decades, we've stood at the intersection of India's progress and the questions that shape it, tracking its rise, asking what matters, and staying at the heart of an evolving national story. And today, as we mark that journey, we also look ahead to India's centennial.
Absolutely. Today, as India strengthens its position as a leading force in the global south, its decisions are not just observed, they are emulated. From digital public infrastructure to manufacturing resilience, from global geopolitical stewardship to AI-led innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the roadmap to India at 100, a Viksit Bharat, is no longer theoretical. It is already shaping the global narrative.
Well, even amid global uncertainty, India is stepping up. The question now is no longer whether India will rise, but how will India lead? Over the next 2 days, leaders from government, industry, sports and entertainment will share insights and action plans on how Viksit Bharat 2047 is not just realized, but the real blueprint on how it will lead the way globally. And that brings us to this year's theme, celebrating Times Now at 20, shaping India at 100.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Times Now Summit captures both a milestone as well as a mandate. Over the next 2 days, this stage becomes an extension of our newsroom. And like any good newsroom, it thrives on participation. So we want all of you to also join the conversation using hashtag TN Summit 2026. Share your key takeaways and moments from the summit.
Absolutely.